useful with the human. Okay, we play with them, give them the food. Okay? And then when they are 10 weeks old, we train them with the sound. Okay? We have the hand device that can alert the sound. Click. Okay? When we click, alert the sound, and we prepare the soil table, put them on, and let them go and search around. When they play, we have the clicker sound they heard, and then they count. So what they react the sound the same as the dog also. Okay? But they understand or identify with the name that we give them. Okay? About you, what they all have the human name also. But we give them, they understand with the sound, the click sound. Click is the food. Okay? Motivate them. Next, we train them with the smell. And for training them with the smell, we have the T8 containers with the small ball. Okay, we call T8 containers, contain with different smells. Among other smells, we have TNT, explosive smell also.